can you please provide a Bollinger Bands analysis on SUI? Yeah, definitely. For those of you who do not know, I do not use Bollinger Bands, and I'll show you why as well. So what I do is I've had plenty of mentors. I've had plenty of groups that I've been in, et cetera, et cetera. And what I do is I debunk trading. And Bollinger Bands was one of my favorite ones to debunk. And let's go. First, we have to know what the Bollinger Bands tell us. They give us a range of highs and lows in the middle. That's good. It gives us a range. Let us do a moving average. I want you to pay attention to my white line. Let's go 20. Come on, 20. Hey, where'd your blue line go? Your blue line is the 20 SMA, not the 21, not the 22, the 20 SMA. What do the bands tell us? Well, the bands tell us that when it's really, really tight, that there's going to be a movement. Oh, awesome. Is the movement up or down? No, it just says there's going to be a movement. But when they get really, really tight, something's going to happen. Well, that doesn't help me. So this is what I do. I debunk stuff that others use to trade. Here's your mentor speaking. Your mentor is telling you, not me, but your other mentor. I am your mentor's mentor. We'll just put it that way. I saw that one time and I loved it. But Joe, my mentor says that when the price action goes to the top Bollinger Band, it comes back down. It's literally like a rubber band where it goes to it and it comes back down. Look, Joe, you see, my mentor's right. This middle line kind of acts like a magnet. Price goes away from it, gets rejected off of this band, comes to it. Oh, I see, young grasshopper. I see. Then look, Joe, it went above this, and what happened? The top band threw it back down, and it went right to the magnet. This is what they teach you, because this already happened. What do you mean, Joe? Well, let's do the replay button. Let's come over here. Let's just look at this. So your mentor tells you when the price comes up here, it's a good time to sell because price should come back down to the magnet. This is not a magnet. That's step number one. When the price comes down here and the moving average is here, this is telling you, well, then now you should long because, well, it's going to come up and you should potentially go up there. Now, with that being said, this is your pretty much sell. And this is pretty much your buy because this is the magnet where the price is going to go. This is what they teach you in a nutshell. What they don't teach you is that this price action is the parent. These are the kids. The kids follow the parent. The parent walks, and this is the parent's feet. And their strides are very long. The little baby's feet, well, their strides are very tiny because they're little babies. The price action moves fast. The indicator catches up to the price action. Let us analyze this. Now, the moving average is the average of the candle body close. The moving average is not a magnet. Most mentors will tell you this moving average is a magnet. It's not. It's an average of the candle body closes. Now, what, Joe, when we have the 200 SMA, more than likely it's going to get rejected and come down. This is because this is the average of the candle body closes. It doesn't mean that it will get rejected. Is this a form of support resistance? Yes. Is it a magnet? No. This is the average. It's in the name. The average of the candle body closes. Now, can the price actually close above it? Yep, sure can. The average will end up curving to where the price is at. Right now, price is here. You also need other things, support, resistance, so on and so forth. But right now, we're just concentrating on the Bollinger Bands. Now we're going to play this. Whoa, what happened here? Let's slow this bad boy down. Getting too excited over here. All right, so what do? I guess you wait. Okay, here, you short. It's far away from this. So we want to short or sell. And it continues going up, And now it's coming down. Why is it coming down? Because of this band? Because of this magnet? No, it's coming down because it's doing what you want to do. You want to buy low and sell high. Look at the price that it went up. Look at these other candle bodies. It is exactly doing what you want to do. It went up 102%. It cannot go up forever. But Joe, it's coming back down to the magnet. No, it's coming down because people are selling. They just made 100%. Price has to do this. Like the only thing price has to do is go up and down. It can go up all the way and it can go down all the way unless it's a rug. Now let's see what happens. Came down here to the golden pocket. Now the kid, the moving average, is following and catching up to the parent. The parent was walking away, said, oh, you're too far. Let me come back. And then now they're here. The price action can do whatever it wants. These bands, they react to the price action. They don't predict what the price action will do. So let me say that again in a different way. Band is here, middle line is here. If the price is up here, this band does not predict or dictate that the price has to come down. If the price is down here, the band does not dictate that it has to come up. The price in general is the master. The price, if it comes down here, guess what happens to the band? The band adjusts. If the price comes up, the band adjusts. Everything adjusts to the price action. Let me know in the chat if I explained Bollinger Bands, how they work, if it made sense. Because feedback is extremely important to me. Digital Detox says 1. Yeah, that made total sense. Good. So what I do is I explain stuff in the most simplistic way because that's how I learn. Man, I had mentors that wrecked me because they taught me this. Joe, when the price action moves away from the magnet or the 21 SMA, they had the 21 SMA, you want to short it because it's going to come back down to it because this is a magnet. And so it would come up here, man, it's moving far away. I short, I'm going and then I get stopped out. I'm doing futures because I want to get rich right now. And it comes up some more and then it comes down. Look, Joe, you see it came up to the magnet. And then when it moves away from the moving average or the band, you want to long it to come up here. Oh man, that's awesome. That's amazing. And I would lose because look, exhibit A, it's far away from the 21 or the 20, far away from the midline. And what happened? It continues to come down. If you were in a long here because it's at the very edge of the band, well, look what happens. It keeps on coming down and down and down. It'll keep on coming down and this band will keep on going until this stops. However, when mentors are teaching you, so this is the difference between mentors who have something to sell you and a mentor who has something to offer you. The mentors that have something to sell you, they will show you all this stuff. They will show you what already happened so that when they're explaining their theories or thought process, they show you, wow, look, man, it works. Came up here, came down here, came up. If I would have just shorted here and longed here, man, I'm making money left and right. This is what they show you. They show you what already happened. I show you in the moment. I show you, because this is when it matters. And my shorts, of course, is in profit, and I'm at stop loss too. Does this happen all the time? No. I'm being 100% honest with you, because this can do anything it wants. I'm just doing a high risk play right now. Oh, so because I teach you reality, I teach you actual in the moment of the trade, this is what I do. This right here, I offer this to you. This is what I offer, guys. It's 12 months, 1 month free. I give you exact price entries. I tell you moving up to stop loss. I do all this stuff. If you're interested in this, reach out to me on Telegram. That make it all make sense in the most simplistic way. That makes perfect sense. I don't think Bollinger Bands is much useful there. No, it's not. Fib retracements are much more useful, definitely, 100%. Digital Detox says, wonderful explanations. Thank you. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.